name?
Tatonga.
What's your name?
Cody.
What are we doing today?
Ahurei.
What's your favorite song?
Tamatakapua.
All of them.
And since you're the leader, what's your favorite song to lead?
Kewaho.
And if you were a leader, what song would you want to lead?
Same as us.
Hi, what's your name? Pirihira Kamana. What are we doing here today?
Doing Te Ahurei.
What's your favorite song that you guys are performing?
All of them.
And which song do you want to lead the most?
I don't know.
Hi, what's your name?
Kaya.
What are we here doing today?
I'm doing a kapaka performance.
What's your favorite song?
Probably Cowboy Poya.
And what song do you want to lead the most?
Cowboy Poya.
Okay, hi, what's your name?
Mila.
What are we here? What are we doing here today?
We're doing our Ahurei performance.
What's your favorite song you're performing?
Probably Arara and Tamatikapua.
And what, song would you lead mostly?
I don't reckon I'll lead any, but my favourite one is probably Tamatikapua.
What's your name?
Mahalia.
What are we doing here today?
Ahurei.
What song is your favorite?
All of them.
And if you were to lead, which song would you lead?